Hello everyone, this is chapter number 1, class 6th, Science. Food, where does it come from? Lecture number 3. In this video, we will be covering the topic food chain, its definition, few examples, and the parts of food chain. They are producers and consumers. What is food chain? It is the transfer of energy in the form of food through a series of organisms. Let us look at some of the examples of food chain. We all know grass is eaten by deer, which is ultimately eaten by a lion. In the second example, we can see carrot are eaten by rabbit, which is eaten by fox and ultimately eaten by a lion. Through these examples, we understood that the energy is getting transferred when an organism feeds another organism. Let us now look at the parts of food chain. Grass, which is eaten by deer, again eaten by a lion, is an example of food chain. If we divide it, we can have two different categories. One, which are called producers, second, which are called consumers. In this example, grass is the producer, whereas deer and lion are the consumers. Let us learn few differences between producers and consumers. Difference number 1. Those who make their own food are called producers. You all know green plants prepare their food by the process called photosynthesis, in which they mainly require water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. However, those who depend directly or indirectly on producers for their food are called consumers. The second difference is producers are also called as autotrophs, whereas consumers are called heterotrophs. And the third difference, let's see few examples. All green plants are producers. You all can figure it out now because they all contains chlorophyll. Few examples of consumers are cow, dog, human beings. Now it's homework time. I have got few questions for you based on lecture number 3. Initial questions are multiple choice questions. In these questions, you are supposed to select the most appropriate option among the given options. Question number 1. Plants make their own food in the presence of. Option A, sunlight. Option B, water. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, all of these. Question number 2. Deer, lion and human beings are called. Option A, autotrophs. Option B, producers. Option C, heterotrophs. And option D, food chain. Question number 3. Write the equation of photosynthesis. Question number 4. Why green plants are called producers? Question number 5. What is the other or alternative name of A, producers, B, consumers?